Hello ninjas, this is Peter Parnig with your weekly ninja action tip. I was teaching an installation last week and a person came up and was talking about how nervous she was in calling someone she knows that she hasn't talked to in about 6 or 7 months. And this was a person that she had sold a house to. Wasn't a stranger, wasn't a loose contact, and she admitted that she was afraid of being thought of as salesy, like, why are you even calling me, one of those things. We started talking, and all of a sudden, I could see she had this aha, a breakthrough. And this was a big one. She said, wait a minute, is this what you're talking about when we put the slide up that says, if you are afraid, you're thinking about yourself? I said, yeah. She went on and she said, so if my intention in calling this person is truly to find out about their family, their job, what they've been doing for fun lately, maybe what plans they've made for 2026, in other words, Ford, then how they react is up to them. Well, I was like, yes, exactly. And then she said it out loud. This was huge. If I can't control how they react, then why should I worry about it? I was thrilled. I said, right, why would you? And she said, I should just let that go. I was about doing handsprings of joy. It was like, holy moly, this is big. So your weekly action tip is to learn from her aha. You can only control your own intentions. If your intentions are pure, truly, then how the person you call reacts is none of your concern. If they're suspicious, let them. Detach from their judgment or response. They probably live in a space of suspicion and doubt all the time, and you just got to experience their worldview in that phone call. Detach and feel content that you made the effort with pure intention. The huge learning piece here is that other people's opinions of you don't get to define who we are. Keep your intentions pure and go ahead and let's love on our people. This week, see if there are 1 or 2 people that you're nervous about calling and forwarding. If it goes great, great. If you don't really have a great conversation, let them and move on. It's not about you. And this led me to another sentence derived from F.O.R.D. I was thinking about it. Finally orchestrate your reality daily. You get to choose. How about that for a new F.O.R.D? Also, by the way, next week I will be leading the Ninja Monthly Sales Meeting. Come join me, and in the meantime, have a good week.